So along with the event money, you'll $3,000-4,000 worth of contingency. Dodge is gonna, if you're Dodge and you win, there's 10 grand. There's nowhere near covering your costs. The reason for a lot of these videos is, bringing people into our world and into this world. There's so many awesome guys here, that we race with. That's us. We're gonna make the first one.
Wait, none of us are making it.
You'll get 2 more. You'll get us 2 in.
Okay. After the second call, how long was...
Like minutes, if you need to be up there.
Big reveal. What's that?
I don't know. Actually, it's not sticking too bad.
No, I use that quick detail on it. So.
Yeah. You give me crap about that tire gauge. Where's that blue tape at?
You think the track's gonna be good?
Probably not.
Probably not. We'll see.
Probably not. I took 300 RPM off the launch and about 80 horsepower off the starting line probably. Soften it up that way if the track's like this tomorrow or when it comes time for qualifying, at least we have something. It's definitely greasy and hot out. But we need to get down it that way that if it's like this for the first qualifier, we have something to work with,
Dragpak's doing it right over here.
This is what we do. Still got enough pellets in there for a little while, so you'll be on there for another 4 or 5 hours. You'll be ready about 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock for dinner. This thing's got every race. We're gonna be smoking this stuff every race. A little bit of Texas barbecue down in Florida. Best reaction time of the season so far, 0.02. But we got out about, about 40 feet. I think we hit the wheelie bars and the rear tires unloaded. So it's just a little bit more we got to do to tune the suspension, the wheelie bars and everything. So I think they're going to raise them up again a little bit more. Just got to find that perfect spot. Let the car kind of do what it wants to do without upsetting the rear end. So, but that was just time trial. We got qualifying coming up next, so hopefully we'll be good. Feeling good, man. This is the one.
All right, our first pair out, a pair of Cobra Jets. Bill Skillman and Gardner Stone. Stone, an auto dealer out of Vermont. Over on the right-hand side of the white Mustang. 2016 model, Bill Skillman. Defending class champion, the Valvoline-backed car. Ray Skillman Ford on the left-hand side. Out of Indiana. Our first pair of cars here for Factory Supercar. Brought to us by Holly EFI. Get staged up and ready. And And Skillman lights the tires up at the 60-foot mark, and Stone is off like a shot all the way down. 785, 176 miles an hour for Stone, and Skillman will roll through with a 14-second pass. Here comes our next pair, another pair of Mustangs. Jim Betts, Chuck Watson, a couple of Cobra Jets. Chuck Watson out of Michigan. He's the guy that builds the Cobra Jets. And once again, he has trouble with the trans brake. And Jim Betts going down the right-hand side. 790, 176 miles an hour for him. And Chuck Watson, a lot of smoke out of his car, so we will be down while we double check that. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to have to double check the surface and make sure everything is okay before we get back underway.
I probably got time to go to the garden. I better go get here. I'm going to talk to my dad because my dad's just there. If I'm not here, he'll pull you in the field. That's what it is. He'll find you a good spot.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like we are going to be down here for a little bit as we are going to need the scrubber to get the racetrack back to where we need it to be. So, ladies and gentlemen, you can unbuckle the helmets. It is going to be downtime for just a minute. All right, here comes the Dragpak. .1074 or 101 after having some traction issues off the starting line.
I don't. We have to watch video to see if it hit it.
It did. I can see it.
Did it hit it?
Yeah, look, you can see it right on the wheelie bar.
Dude. Oh my God. Did you hear what anybody else set up?
I think
Mine felt fast, but I'm waiting
you
for
started
my...
at 781 or something like that.
Did they guard with 85?
You didn't see my time, did you?
Dude, I just got to your car right before you left. I just got back.
Yeah, no,
But here's the thing, it doesn't feel like it's coming up at all. It's fucking driving the wheelie bars into the ground.
They're tight. I don't get it.
I think we need to get rid of them.
Let's do it.
We
Maybe
need
I
to,
can raise them all the way out. We still go up another 4 inches. There's
Can
no
we?
way it'll do it. Okay, raise them. The suspension will bottom out before it
That high, but not wasn't that high. See, it doesn't feel dramatic at all.
Yeah, well, you're used to a big wheelie. You know what a big wheelie is.
Yeah, but you know, like even before, like you can tell it comes up and then it comes down.
Yeah.
This one's not even really coming. It doesn't feel like it's coming up. It's just,
Well, he got a good video, so you can watch it.
Look at it drive the bars. It's coming up. It's not up very much.
Yeah, it touches right there. Right. Yeah, see? Touch right there. See it?
Yeah.
get this running. Croc when gets one. It's going to be the best qualifying air run.
Dennis Jason and Jason Deach, the trailer sale man on the left side. The big wheel stand out of the drag pack on the right-hand side as Dennis. 122 to the 60-foot, Jason Deach, 122. 791 at 175 for Dennis. That will move him up huge.
Yeah, thanks. So we're sitting at 1-2 right now.
I'm fucking red like crazy because I was so jumpy. Gardner went like crazy.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, you did. You still, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You haul ass.
Yeah. We'll do this.
Better round?
What's that?
Better round?
Yeah, we did good. This is Kimmy Mapes. Kim Mapes. He's the tuner for my car. His dad over there is Big Kim. So he's actually the head guy at Watson. He's the one that builds all the engines and the cars and everything else like that. And Kimmy's his son, and he's the one that's on the keyboard. Hey guys, this is Dragpak Dennis. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe. And please leave a comment on the video. That'll let me know if you like what you're seeing. Take care all. We'll see you next time.